Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide progressive gifter badge and gifts given count on Twitch. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and then tap on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on settings. And after that, you should tap on security and privacy at the top of this page. Then scroll down to privacy. And here you can find the hide progressive gifter badge and gifts given count feature by tapping on this button, meaning that do not show upgraded gifter badges or the number of gift subscriptions you have given in channels. So this feature has been enabled, marked with the checkmark icon. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.